I wasn't nervous all day, but now it's kicking into high gear. I can already tell I'm gonna be a mess. Gillian, there was never one specific moment I knew you were the one. It was every moment with you. Right from day one, I knew that you meant a lot to me. And the past 6 years have been the most amazing time of my life.
Spencer, from this day forward, do you choose Gillian to be your wife, your best friend, and your only love? To live together, play together, laugh together, to work by her side and dream in her arms, to fill her heart and feed her soul, to protect her and give her your deepest considerations of your feelings, desires, and needs, and to always seek out the best in her, loving her with all your heart until the end of your forever. If so, say I do.
I do.
Gillian, from this day forward, do you choose Spencer to be your husband, your best friend, and your only love? To live together, play together, laugh together, to work by his side and dream in his arms, to fill his heart and feed his soul, to protect him and give him your deepest considerations of his feelings, desires, and needs, to always seek out the best in him, loving him with all your heart until the end of your forever. If so, say I do.
I do. Do I need to be bad again? I do.
I'd like to welcome everyone. It is an exciting and beautiful day that two people we care about are uniting as one. Spencer and Gillian have chosen all of you, those who are special and important to them, to celebrate and witness this union.
Every rise and every fall, any door that we walk through, I will never stop loving you.
Spencer, my best friend, my rock, and this day forward, my husband. As cliche as it sounds, you came into my life when I least expected it, and I'm eternally grateful for that. Throughout the past 6 years, we've had rocky patches and smooth sailing, and I'm so lucky to have had you by my side through it all. Whether it be tears of sadness or joy, you're always there with a shoulder for me to cry on. You support me and my crazy dreams, you never fail to put a smile on my face, and you never let me forget that in your eyes, I'm the prettiest girl in any room. I still remember the first time you smiled at me. In this moment, time stood still. This is when I realized you were the one that I wanted to spend my life with. Who would have thought that you asking me to be your girlfriend in the Taco Bell drive-thru would lead us here? Your smile lights up any room. You never fail to make me laugh, even when I don't want to. And even if you don't believe it, you are one of the most genuine, honest, and compassionate people I've ever met. For all of these reasons, these are my promises to you today and for the rest of our lives. I promise to walk with you hand in hand through life as your best friend, your biggest fan, and your shoulder to lean on. I promise to always make sure I bring a snack for you on long car trips. I promise to try and split my cuddle time equally between you and our dogs. And I always want you to remember, home is not a place for the both of us, it's a person, and we're home now.
Thank you. You're gonna make a great wife. I'm so proud of you.
Gillian, when I first met you in the car wash at our old job, I did not know that I would have fallen in love immediately. I started to change as a person because of that moment. Not only did I start bringing Red Bulls to work for you and spend time just talking with you, I started to realize how different you were from anyone I had known before. I had never met anyone who I felt I could give my everything for, and that's what I felt and still feel with you. Your love brightens my world when it's dark. You're there for me when I need help. You care so much about not only me, but my family and friends. The beautiful smile of yours I get to see is so contagious. It is hard to not be happy when I am with you. We raised our dogs together like they are our children, which just gave me a sneak peek of what kind of mother you're going to be. I could not imagine a better woman to be the mother of those children one day. The way you love my family, our dogs, and me really fills my world with joy and comfort. Now in this moment, to my amazingly beautiful Gillian, I vow to be the best version of myself in every aspect. To be by your side in troubling times, to pick you up when you are down, to cherish every moment with you, to raise the healthiest family with you. I vow to love you with my whole heart for the rest of my life.
I love you.
I love you too.
I love you too.
Dana, I gotta show you something.
Oh no. I remember this. I remember this when Mom told me that you were wearing a tie. I was like, that's the one. A little bit different now.
Very proud of you.
When they say if you are fortunate enough to meet your person, life takes a turn for the better. And for Gillian, that was about 15 years ago when she met me. Sorry, Spencer. When I look back at my relationship with Gillian, it feels like we were more like sisters. I don't know life without her. From the moment we met, we were attached at the hips. Wherever Gillian was, I was. If I was ever at home alone, my family would always ask, "Where's Gillian?" She was my missing puzzle piece.
Thank you to the grandparents and parents that have brought these two lovely people here today, because without them, we wouldn't have that. So thank you guys for making these two lovely, beautiful people. You two are perfect for each other. As you can tell, you bring out the best in my best friend, and it makes me so happy that I've been a part of the journey that you guys have had throughout this time. And seriously, both of you are perfect for each other, and I wouldn't want it to be anyone else to be married to my best friend, and I wouldn't want you to marry anyone else. Thank you. So with that being said, I would love to congratulate the newlyweds, and cheers to the Rommers, everybody.
Gillian and Spencer, I am pleased to pronounce you husband and wife, sealed today both in law and in love. Spencer, you can kiss your bride.
Today is a lot about being able to bring everyone that's been a part of our relationship together, and we can celebrate everything that we've been able to do together. I mean, we have our own little family already, but it's only gonna get bigger. And it's the start of our family.